Yes, it is another Tip Off Tuesday, and here you are, and here I am. Today, I want to go over a very useful tool that I only wish I would known about sooner. What is this useful tool? Let me show you. Let's go. All right, ladies and gents, today it's all about a simple tip-off that will make your drawing life that much easier. Now, as artists, we all know the feeling when you accidentally smear charcoal with your hand. It sucks. And all it does is make a bunch of extra work that's kind of unnecessary. So a simple solution that we found was what we like to call the three-fingered glove. Now, you might be familiar with these for tablets and digital drawing, but we have found that they also work very, very well for graphite and charcoal artists.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Now, the ones that we have were actually pretty slick. They came in 3 different pinky stitchings. And what I mean by that is, if you can see, this stitching here for the pinky is straighter. This one is curved in a little more. And then this one is curved in even more. So it all depends on your own unique hand. Now, another thing that makes these gloves extremely advantageous for your drawing is that they allow you to literally glide over the paper, and they keep your skin on your hand, which contains a lot of oils, from smearing that charcoal. And the charcoal will latch on to the oil from your hand. So this simple glove prevents that. Now, overall, we've noticed that these help a lot with our pieces, and they've saved me a ton of time not having to mess around with cleaning up unnecessary charcoal. So we have a link for these gloves down below if you want to check them out, try them out, and see if they help you. So my dapper folks, that is it. That is all I got this week. Be sure to stop by next week for our next tip-off. And as always, if you guys like this video and you dig what we're building here at Messer Creations, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that little bell, ding, so you guys can be notified when our next video comes out. My name is Braden. You guys have just been tipped off. I hope you guys had fun, and I will see you in the next one.